Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies, today morning I could not bring pre-market report as I was traveling, and now I'm in Mumbai for marriage function and my workshop tomorrow. So that's why I could not do the video. So maybe for 1 or 2 days only the audio will be there. Coming back to market, such a worst market. The Nifty has fallen more than 4% in 3 trading sessions. And today, at some point of time, Nifty is down more than 500 points. So this is on top of, 600, 700 point fall in the previous 2 sessions. And this is a vertical fall. And a lot of people are struggling. And I think a lot of traders would have been wiped out. And I can see that in my workshop, the response has not been really very good. So I was expecting 100 people in Mumbai, but only 50, 55 people have come. Because a lot of people are having huge problem. And the people, traders who trade without stop loss are the people who got into big trouble. So the point here is that I told you yesterday itself, today US GDP data is there, some inflation data called personal consumption expenditure data is there. As and when this kind of important data are there in US, our markets tend to be very, very volatile. But today there was no volatility at all. So market opened and kept on selling. If you can remember, yesterday also, the Nifty kept on selling until the last second. And usually that happens, the next day it tends to fall more, but nobody expected this kind of a big fall. At the end of the day, FIIs have sold for more than 10,000 crores. And if March series, it's only half the month and still half month is left. FIIs already sold a staggering amount of 57,000 crore. That is, if you look at the last 6-7 months, and this is the highest selling. We are comparing last 6-7 months, the total monthly sale, but now we are talking only half the month sale only. So our market, is very, very pathetic. And even the retail people are getting, fed up for the last 1.5 years. Another 2 weeks go, the 1.5 years will be completing from October 2024. The September last week in 2024, Nifty touched 26,300. And now exactly after 18 months, and now Nifty is down 3,000 points. So 1.5 years and 10%, 12% fall, government of India is not going to get any short-term capital gain tax or long-term capital gain tax. But government will not worry because the short sellers will be paying huge amount of tax, right? So, the government always gets the money no matter what happens, but it's only the traders who are getting into big trouble. US GDP data came, less than expected. So that's good. So because of that, the people may think interest rate may go down in the economy, especially the next week. Fed meeting is there. Personal consumption expenditure data, it just came as expected. So US markets futures are slightly higher. But European markets, before our market opened, the futures were positive. Then closer to the Europe opening, it was negative. Then there was some kind of a recovery. So it's too volatile, even in Europe and US futures also. But after this data, I hope US market stabilizes, trade with a positive bias. And already the GIFT Nifty indicating about 100 point higher. So let us hope today's low is held on. As I've been telling you, so 23,000 seems to be the support, but we do not know what is going to happen over the weekend in Iran war. So that will determine where the market will be opening on Monday. So right now, things are all looking really, really very, very bad. And even the long-term investors, it is time to worry. And somewhere I read, so usually retail people patience lasts only 18 months. If the markets are not performing for more than 18 months, so that is a time, retail people might get some panic. And if they also start selling or at least stop buying, then, even a small selling by FII, I know there will be no buyer, the market can fall even more. So let us see what's going to happen on Monday. So fingers crossed as of now. But there are a lot of news flow is coming. Indian Prime Minister spoke to Iran to get some oil vessels to India and all those things, So there are a lot of discussions, a lot of things. Moreover, the bigger conflict or bigger attack will come during the weekend. So for next 2 days, keep watching the Iran news and have the hedges, right? Try to avoid selling put options at this market. Keep selling call options, that too far away, that too with a complete hedge. Otherwise, one ceasefire news, just like the Trump deal day, a 2,000 point gap up, Nifty was indicating, something like that also can happen. If you don't have the position, better keep away from the markets until this war is clear. So that's my simple advice. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.